Dogs have been man's best friend for centuries, evolving alongside us. Let's explore. Today, there are around 340 different dog breeds recognized globally. That's quite a variety. These breeds are categorized by kennel clubs across the world based on their traits. Fascinating, right? Most kennel clubs classify breeds into groups like working, toy, and herding. Let's delve deeper. The working group includes breeds like Siberian Huskies and St. Bernards, known for their strength. Toy breeds, like Pomeranians and Chihuahuas, are small, yet full of personality and charm. Herding breeds, including Border Collies and German Shepherds, excel in intelligence and agility. Despite their differences, all breeds share a common ancestor, the majestic wolf. Through selective breeding, we've shaped these breeds to serve varied roles in human lives. From loyal companions to skilled herders, each breed enriches our lives uniquely. Celebrate them.